Welcome to the world of veganism. Choosing a vegan lifestyle offers a world of benefits for your health, the planet, and animal welfare. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to understand the nutritional aspects of a plant-based diet. This guide provides essential tips for new vegans, focusing on key nutrients and how to obtain them from plant-based sources. We'll explore protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for optimal health on a vegan diet. From delicious and easy meal ideas to practical advice on navigating social situations, this guide equips you with the knowledge to thrive as a new vegan. Get ready to experience the abundance and vitality of vegan living. And don't forget to follow my channel Vegan Dose for more tips and inspiration. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and contrary to popular belief, it's abundant in plant-based foods. Include a variety of these protein sources in your daily diet. Legumes, lentils, beans, chickpeas, and peas are excellent sources of protein and fiber. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame. These soy-based products are complete protein sources, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Nuts and seeds, almonds, cashews, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein source and a good source of iron and magnesium. Incorporate these protein sources into your meals and snacks to ensure adequate intake throughout the day. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone health. While our bodies can produce vitamin D from sunlight, factors like skin tone, time of day, and sunscreen use can affect production. Vegans may need to pay extra attention to their vitamin D intake. Good plant-based sources include fortified foods. Many plant-based milks, yogurt, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D. Mushrooms. Some mushrooms, like shiitake and oyster, are natural sources of vitamin D. Consider a supplement, especially during winter or if you have limited sun exposure. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. While plant-based foods contain iron, it's important to note that iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, is not absorbed as easily as iron from animal sources, heme iron. Boost your iron intake with these tips. Combine iron-rich foods with vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron. For example, have a lentil salad with a squeeze of lemon juice. Cook with cast iron cookware. Cooking acidic foods in cast iron cookware can increase the iron content of your meals. Choose iron-fortified cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with iron, providing an easy way to increase your intake. Calcium is vital for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Contrary to popular belief, dairy is not the only source of calcium. Plant-based sources of this vital mineral include leafy green vegetables. Kale, collard greens, and bok choy are excellent sources of calcium. Fortified plant milk, almond, soy, and oat milk are often fortified with calcium. Tofu, particularly calcium-set tofu, is a good source of this mineral. Sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with calcium. Enjoy them sprinkled on salads or in homemade hummus. Including a variety of these calcium-rich foods in your diet can help you meet your daily needs. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production. It's primarily found in animal products, so vegans need to supplement their diet with reliable sources. Here are the best ways to get vitamin B12 on a vegan diet. Fortified foods. Many plant-based milks, nutritional yeast, and breakfast cereals are fortified with vitamin B12. Taking a daily or weekly supplement is a reliable way to ensure adequate intake. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate dosage of vitamin B. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions and overall well-being. These fats help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and can even slow the development of plaque in the arteries. Walnuts, a good source of LA, and provide additional nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants. They make for a great snack or can be added to salads and desserts. Algae oil, a vegan source of EPA and DHA, making it an excellent option for those who do not consume fish. Incorporate these omega-3 sources into your meals and snacks to support overall health. Planning your meals can help ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients on a vegan diet. Snacks. Keep your energy levels up throughout the day with snacks like fruits, vegetables with hummus, or a handful of nuts and seeds. Remember to include a variety of colors and textures in your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Eating vegan doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some tips for making plant-based eating affordable. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home allows you to control ingredients and save money compared to eating out. Buy in bulk. Purchase pantry staples like grains, legumes, and nuts in bulk to save money. Embrace seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often more affordable and flavorful. Plan your meals. Meal planning can help reduce food waste and ensure you're using ingredients efficiently. Here's to a happy, healthy, and compassionate vegan lifestyle. Don't forget to follow my channel Vegan Dose for ongoing tips and inspiration.